26. And remember when we assigned to Abraham the site of the house, saying, do not associate anything with me in worship, and purely my house for those who circle the Kaaba, stand in prayer and bow and prostrate themselves. 27. Call all the people to the pilgrimage. They will come to you on foot and on every lean camel from every distant path. 28. So they may obtain the benefits in store for them and pronounce the name of Allah on appointed days over the sacrificial animals He has provided for them. So eat from their meat and feed the desperately poor. 29. Then let them groom themselves, fulfill their vows, and circle the ancient house. 30. That is so, and whoever honors the rituals of Allah, it is best for them in the sight of their Lord. The meat of cattle has been made lawful to you, except what has already been recited to you. So, shun the impunity of adultery and shun words of falsehood. 31. Be upright in devotion to Allah, associating none with Him in worship. For whoever associates others with Allah, like someone who has fallen from the sky and is either snatched away by birds or swept by the wind to remote place. 32. That is so, and whoever honors the symbols of Allah is certainly out of the piety of the heart. 33. You may benefit from sacrificial animals for the appointed term. Then their place of sacrifice is at the ancient house. 34. For every community we appointed a rite of sacrifice so that they may pronounce the name of Allah over the sacrificial animals He has provided for them. For your God is only one God. So submit yourselves to Him alone and give good news, O Prophet, to the humble. 35. Those whose hearts tremble at the remembrance of Allah, who patiently endure whatever may befall them, who establish prayer and donate from what we have provided for them. 36. We had made sacrificial camels and cattle among the symbols of Allah, in which there is much good for you. So pronounce the name of Allah over them when they lined up for sacrifice. Once they have fallen lifeless on their sides, you may eat from their meat and feed the needy, and those who do not beg, and those who do. In this way, we have subjected these animals to you so that you may be grateful. 37. Neither their meat nor blood reaches Allah, rather it is your piety that reaches Him. This is how He has subjected them to you so that you may proclaim the greatness of Allah for what He has guided you to, and give good news to the good doers. Indeed, Allah defends those who believe. Surely Allah does not like whoever is deceitful, ungrateful. 39. Permission to fight back is hereby granted to those being fought for what have been wrong. Allah is truly most capable of helping them prevail. 40. There are those who have been expelled from their homes for no reason other than proclaiming our Lord is Allah. Had Allah not replied the aggression of some people by means of others, destruction would have surely claimed monasteries, churches, synagogues, and mosques in which Allah's name is often mentioned. Allah will certainly help those who stand up for Him. Allah is truly all powerful, almighty. 41. There are those who, if established in the land by us, would perform prayer, pay alms, encourage what is good, and forbid what is evil, and Allah rests the outcome of all affairs. 42. If they deny you, O Prophet, so did the people of Noah before them, as well as the tribes of Ad and Thamud. 43. And people of Abraham, the people of Lot. 44. And the residents of Midian, and Moses was denied too. But I delayed the fate of the disbelievers until their appointed time, then seized them. And how severe was my response? 45. Many are the societies we have destroyed for persisting in wrongdoing, leaving them in total ruin. Many are also abandoned wells and lofty palaces. 46. They have not travelled throughout the land, so their hearts may reason, and their ears may listen. Indeed, it is not the eyes that are blind, but it is the hearts in the chest that grow blind. 47. They challenge you, O Prophet, to hasten the torment, and Allah will never fail in His promise. But a day with the Lord is indeed like 1,000 years by your counting. 48. Many are societies whose end we delayed while they did wrong, then seized them, and to me is their final return. 49. Say, O Prophet, O humanity, I am only sent to you with a clear warning. 50. So those who believe and do good will have forgiveness and an honorable provision.